And welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to send XRP with Xaman wallet. That is in 10 seconds. It's quite simple. First step is pre-transaction check. You have to verify the recipient address. First and last 4 characters match. Next, you have to check XRP tag. It is required for exchanges like Binance. Then for sending process, tap send, paste the address, enter the amount, tap XRP to toggle between USD or XRP. Then the advanced settings to set maximum button. This deducts exact reserve, which is 10 XRP. Next is network fees. The default fee is 0.00001 XRP, but you can adjust it in settings. Next is the priority fee, which is 0.0001 XRP during congestion. Then the next step is to confirm and sign. Double check destination tag, swipe to confirm, authenticate with your biometrics. It's as simple as that. A common mistake people make is to forget the SRP tag for exchange deposits. Do not do that. Hope you found this video helpful.